Ah, 100 grams. 3 ringgit. 3 ringgit.
Oh, it's 100 grams per ringgit. 3 ringgit per 100 grams. That is spicy man. Hoy, you poor. Bara singkama sa mana. Kanap the pineapple so we can chew too. Smile sila. So this is what their street looks like. Usually there are lots of bands in every other street here. So yeah, and then they will just put some money for the ones who want to.
Is this 100 grams
eat.
or more?
They will
100 or
weigh.
more? Oh, 100 grams.
You put us free
100 grams, huh? 100
free
grams.
slice.
Can I have one more? One more.
He is smiling. He's smiling.
Hey, if you want one.
Can we have another cup, please?
What? 100 grams?
Oh, they're so smiling.
What? 20 grams?
Hey, don't shower our food, ha?
Ito, baka nanay mga lumay. Ha? Ha?
Nine? Just no. Sorry, we will return this.
100 grams? 9 ringgit?
We will just buy this
You
one
said 3.
per grams.
Okay na yun. Ha? Ilan may